Hello everyone, I am Siaram from Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizore. Today I am here with an activity which is false label game. So we need to tell them the definition of syllables. What are syllables? Our main objective here is only to make them understand that how many sounds are there in this word. How how will the students will pronounce the given word. So here I have chosen some words with two syllables, and you should keep in mind that the words which you have chosen should be familiar with the students, or you can choose the words from your previous chapter which you have already taught them, so it will be easy for them to pick up the syllables to match the syllables. So let's start. How can we conduct this activity in our classroom? So here you can see column A and column B are given here. Some syllables are given in column A and some syllables are in column B. And students have to match the syllables in column A with the syllables given in column B. They will match the correct syllables. So we can call out the name of a student. He will come and will tell us that the correct syllable for the given syllable pick will be Nick. So we will match it like this. Pick Nick. For the next word, winter, cartoon, monkey, doctor. So all the students can participate in this activity. If you want to conduct this activity in groups, so you can divide your class into groups, and you can prepare a TLM for this. You can prepare a TLM like this. I have a TLM for the class. You can make this type of TLM for individual groups, so that you have 5 groups. You can make four samples of this set. So each group will be given one sample set. The group will match it, and they will come to you with the correct after finishing it. So it is an activity, and it is very interesting activity for class 1 and 2. You can conduct it during your classroom. So thank you. Have a nice day.